I focus on easy to understand concept. The food should be just tasty, and I focus on Japanese fried chicken because everybody loves it and everybody understands it. Nothing is difficult about it. Hi, my name is Kuniko Yagi. I'm the owner chef of Pikunico, downtown LA. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make golden chicken sandwich and coleslaw. Key for this recipe will be being patient. Everything had to do with the different textures. Pickles has their own vegetable texture. Fried chicken should be crispy, but the bun is soft. I made Pikunico fried chicken as gluten-free because I do have a lot of friends who is allergic to gluten or the wheat, and I wanted to make a wide range of customers who can come to Pikunico. Best part of running small restaurant is that I get to see an actual reaction from every guest I have. That's the best part of being a chef. I'm frying chicken one piece at a time so that fried chicken comes out crispy. While I'm using rice flour for the crust, you'll still get the same crunch as American fried chicken. Typically, Japanese fried chicken has no bones in, so it's easy to eat. And also the marinade that we use is Asian ingredients: garlic, ginger, soy sauce, potato starch. I brought my turmeric bun from my restaurant today, but you can easily substitute with the high quality hot dog bun, and I recommend to toast them a little bit. New menu inspiration always comes from local farmers market or the weather, but since we run Japanese fried chicken restaurant, I try to make everything Japanese version of something. The favorite part of making this sandwich is actually assembling. There are so many ingredients and vegetables, but once you get it down, it's not too difficult. It may be easy to find ginger and garlic and all that, but if you don't have white sesame paste, it's equivalent to tahini paste. I'm whisking olive oil into the other ingredients of sesame vinaigrette to make it creamy. Because sesame paste is full fat, it'll be easy for you to emulsify this. In Japan, when you eat fried food, shredded cabbage or julienne cabbage comes with it as a free food, and it's philosophy of digestion. The cabbage will help you to digest the fried food. The moment I decided to have it on a menu, I wanted to make the best sandwich ever. My recipe is pretty simple, and the hardest part is shopping and correcting all the ingredients. But once you have it in the kitchen, it is very simple to make these dishes. So I hope you can do it at home and feel like you're such a great chef.
Oh, yes!